Hey, it's your girl Bree. Welcome back to the channel. You might be thinking, I'm having some deja vu. Didn't you just make your last cash stuffing video where you put these same amounts? Yes. I'll give you a quick update. I was supposed to be doing cash stuffing. I started it in my last video, and unfortunately, because I am still learning how to be a good financial planner, I had to then take the money out, and I haven't been able to continue or put it back. So now we are restarting my 26-week saving challenge. The binders I have actually for sale up on my Etsy shop if you'd like one, and we're restarting it. So we're starting from scratch week 1 and week 2. Luckily in July, it's one of those months where I get paid 3 times. So I decided that this would be a perfect month to restart. As you can see, the marks from my first attempt at this are still there. I didn't really fully erase it, but I went to the bank. I got the bills in the denominations that I needed. With the savings binder that I created, I made not only the savings plan, but a bill breakdown. So I used my bill breakdown to go to the bank and get the bills that I needed. So today we're restarting. There's never an issue with restarting. That's the great thing about this binder, is that you can reuse it as many times as you want. Once you complete it the first time, you'll be able to go back and do it again once you take all your money out and complete the challenge. So first week we have to put in $15. Second week we have to put in $30 for a total of $45. Let's turn the page and put 15 in this one and 30 in this one. The great thing about the envelope sizes that I chose are that they fit the bills without having to fold them too many times. That's the thing I don't like necessarily about other binder, or I should say sleeves, is that you have to like fold it a bunch of times and it gets kind of thick. So that's the first one, 15. Now we have to put 30 in this one. So I got a 10 and a 20. And you might be thinking, oh, looks like you have more bills. We'll talk about that in a second. So let's put the 30 in here. And then we're going to mark it off. So we have 15 and 30. So we have check and check. And you can basically do whatever you want. If you wanted to do X, you could. You do X. And actually, when you order it, it comes with this dry erase marker. Okay, and then, as you can see, I have an extra 5. And I decided, and I think I did this last time, to get ahead. So next time I get paid, I have to put in 45. But since I have an extra 5 that I had in my wallet, I just decided to go and take the 5 and put it in. So then when I go to the bank, I'll only have to take out 2 20s. And then that will be it. Okay. So we put $5 for week 3. So it already has 5. I normally just write like 5. So we only need to get 40. And that means we are done stuffing our 26-week savings challenge for week 1 and week 2. So we'll come back the next time I get paid and we'll stuff it with week 3. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time for more cash stuffing. Bye.